What's up everyone? So we're back with another tutorial today. Today I'm going to be carrying out a high taper on my guy Terry, one of my long-term clients, and also a great guy on YouTube. Look him up. His @ is Terry Roarfield. I'm going to leave it in the description below. The following blades that I'm going to use to carry out this haircut, it will be an all detachable haircut. I'll start from the lowest blade to the highest. We're going to use the 5/0, which is what I'm using right now. After that, we're going to use the 3/0. After the 3/0, we're going to the OA, the 1, the 1A, and then the largest blade that I'm going to use, which is what I'm using right now in the video, is going to be the 1.5. That's what I'm going to use to debulk all the hair. As you can see, I'm going to use that comb to separate the blade from the root of the lock. We don't want the blade going into and cutting the root of the lock. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, it will be all detachable work. It's not going to be too long either. It's a very quick haircut, efficient, clean. My guy Terry comes every week to 2 weeks, and yeah, just sit back and enjoy the video. Now, after debulking my haircuts, what I like to do is debulk the lineup. And I don't know if you guys watched the last video. I'll leave that in the description as well. But I remember telling you guys that, hey, look, be careful when using that detachable blade on the front of that lineup. Terry does like his front lineup a tad bit darker than the rest of the haircut. So I use the thinnest shears to eliminate bulk. So I eliminate that perfect amount. After cleaning up that ball border with the Slimline Pro, I'm going to go into my blend border. I'm going to create my blend border with the 1 blade. After using the 1 blade, I'm going to use the 1A to create that smooth transition from the blend border to my bulk border. Fortunately, this time it won't take a lot to connect the blend to the bulk, because the only difference in length is 1 blade, which is the 1A blade. So you're going to see me use the 1, then you're going to see me use the 1A blade to blend into the 1.5. After that, to blend the blend border down into the ball border, we're going to use the OA and the 3/0. Not a lot of blades, very smooth transition, very clean work. Here I am right now using my OA blade. After this, I'm going to use the smaller 3/0 blade, and then just come back with maybe my 1 or my 1.5 just to do the detail work. And I'm going to carry out those same steps on the other side. 1A blade, then come down to my blend border and do the OA and the 3/0. I'm going to create these same steps. I'm going to follow these same steps on each side of the head as well as the nape area. Once again, man, blending down fundamentally, like for me, it's the best thing that you can do. It requires you training your barber eye though, and one of the things that is great to do, and one of the ways to train that eye, is to use your mirror during your haircuts. Your mirror and your camera sees things that your eyes are not yet trained to see in your haircuts. That's why when you take a picture of a haircut, or when you use the mirror to check your haircut, you see those lines of demarcation or those inconsistencies in your blend. Use your mirror and your camera. They're your best friends. This will help you train your eye. One of the art of blending down is being able to see and know, okay, I'm going to go in here with this blade to touch up this work. Okay, this is going to require the half guard closed. Okay, I don't want to go up there with the on guard open, etc. You know, and all that is about being able to see. So what I would say, you guys, is training that eye. Use the mirror, use your phone, train your eye. This is what I would label as a simple but very effective haircut, because we used a 1.5 against the grain to debulk our canvas today, our haircut today. And it's really dope because you have that contrast of those locks at the top. And then the special twist that we put on Terry's haircut is we kind of blend that front line up. We don't take it down as high as everyone, as all the other parts in the haircut, because we want that line up to still pop. So we leave the sides light, tad bit lighter, so that our haircut lasts longer, but we also blend the front to where it's still dark and you can make that line up pop. So I really like this haircut. Another thing, whether you decide to blend up or down with these detachable blades, before you go into blending your haircut, always make sure that you set in clear borders. Me, I always use the 3 borders: ball, blend, and bulk. I suggest that you guys use a system that doesn't confuse you as well, and just tweak it as you go. I'm going to finish this haircut off with a nice clean lineup. We're going to add some enhancement. Inside that enhancement it's a solution. We use Kiss Express, a tad bit of water, and some alcohol. After that, we apply a little bit of hair fiber to take away from that shine, from that semi-permanent enhancement. And that's it. We finish off the haircut. We'll do a little bit of goatee work, clean him up, and get him out of here. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Go ahead and check out this detail work and tell me what you think. And here we are with the finished product, a high taper with locks up top, 1.5 on the sides and a little bit darker in the front. I really like the turnout of this cut. I like how it contrasts from the high taper at the bottom to the 1.5 on the sides, the locks on top, and just that dope transition from the 1.5 to the lineup that's a tad bit darker. I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's stay consistent. See you guys in a minute. Take care.